The JLA Smart range of washing machines come in a variety of sizes from 7 to 28 kilograms, perfect for a range of commercial settings. So why do we call the range Smart? Well, every smart washer comes packed full of our latest innovations, such as Smart Cycles, which is our unique absorption intelligence that delivers best-in-class water, energy, and detergent consumption on every cycle. It means Smart's next-generation drum design and suspension that enables 400 G-force during spinning. The result being greater water extraction and reduced drying times. Then there's the Smart Controls. Our intuitive controls are designed with simplicity in mind. Easy to use with programmable functions for repeat use. Smart washing machines are built to last with robust cabinets, high-spec components, and industrial-grade durability. The machines also have self-preservation engineered in. Smart washing machines actually protect themselves against damage caused by spinning out of balance. If the drum feels itself moving out of sync with the machine, dynamic suspension and built-in load sensors pick up on the problem and slow down the drum to realign the spin and regain stability. All of these innovations aid the overall efficiency of the washer and can deliver up to 32% saving on utility costs. The Smart machines come with a range of setup options, including stackable and coin-operated solutions. Auto-dosing is also available. Watch the auto-dosing video to find out more about that. For businesses that need guaranteed disinfection cycles but want to save on utility costs, you can also fit your machine with our groundbreaking Otex Ozone disinfection system, which can disinfect at ambient temperatures. That pretty much wraps up our look at the Smart range of washing machines. The Smart machine is the result of continued refinement driven by customer feedback. By enhancing the proven features that have served tens of thousands of our customers well in the past, and adding value with eco-friendly innovations. We believe that the Smart washing machine range offers unbeatable efficiency, performance, and reliability when it comes to commercial laundry.